Hello, my name is Artour Rakhimov. I created website normalbreathing.com because I realized that breathing and body oxygenation are very important for our health. Let us look at some studies that I have on my website. This table summarizes results of 8 medical studies on heart disease. What we found that heart patients at rest breathe 2.5 times more air than the medical norm. Instead of breathing 6 liters of air per minute, we breathe much more air, up to 15 liters per minute. Now, if we look at studies which relates to asthma, we can get the same result. Asthmatics breathe much heavier, but their body oxygenation is less. We breathe much more than the norm. People with diabetes, they have the same general picture. Instead of breathing 6 liters of air per minute at rest, which is very small amount, so that breathing is invisible, inaudible, it's so light so that people even don't feel this breathing. We see that people with diabetes breathe much heavier, and that causes reduced oxygenation of the human body. Problems with pancreas, for example, in this case, or problems with heart, brain, all other vital organs, because all of them are going to get less oxygen and blood supply due to heavy breathing. And this is another table which has studies related to breath holding time. So if people exhale, pinch their nose and see how long we can hold breath without any stress, we can see immediately that normal breath holding time, normal body oxygenation is 40 seconds. We have this large bar here. But people with asthma, heart disease, and there are many studies, which again you can find on my website, which testify that people with various chronic disorders virtually always have impaired breath holding ability. But normal breathing naturally improves body oxygenation so that we can prevent and fight many chronic diseases. For these reasons, I invite you to visit web pages of the website normalbreathing.com.